So where are we going today? Today we're going to have our first 1,000 kilometer preventive maintenance check. So I'm heading off to Mazda Pasig, where it all began. And she's going in, Scarlett is going in for a checkup. So it's been a little bit over a month, and you know, I've already racked up 1,024 kilometers, and I'm going in for the first 1,000 kilometers, and this is a free checkup. I repeat, that's a free checkup, guys. You know, that's one of the perks of all the vehicles of Mazda Philippines. You're entitled to 3 years of preventive maintenance check, all free, guys. There's free PMS, preventive maintenance, and free 3-year concierge services. So that's awesome. Now 1,000 kilometers, where did I go? It only took 2 trips to Tagaytay, 1 trip to Clark in Pampanga, and 1 trip in Tanay Rizal, plus several other trips around Metro Manila, resulting in over 1,000 kilometers already. This is one of those rare days, guys, where I'm driving with my top up. Why? Because it is raining. We're experiencing December rain. Going there, it's cool, it's rainy, and my top is up, which I got to, of course, try out my the waterproofness of my top, and it is waterproof, guys. It is waterproof, even if it's just a cloth top. Anyway, so let's head off to Mazda Pasig and get that preventive maintenance checkup. Plus, let's take a look at some of their new cars, the new Mazda CX-9 and the Mazda Miata RF, which is on display in Mazda Pasig. Let's go, guys. Okay, I'm here at Mazda Pasig, and well, I just gave Scarlett to the service bay so that they can begin the first 1,000 kilometer preventive maintenance checkup. So we'll stay here for an hour and a half maybe. They're just gonna do some checks. But so far, for that entire 1,020 kilometers that I've been driving Scarlett, there has absolutely been no issues. So this is just a preventive maintenance check. Oh look, they changed the display. It's no longer the soft top GT. There's now a red RF on display here at the Mazda Pasig showroom. Let's take a closer look at the RF. Ooh. Top down, it is clearly a Targa. You see, that's one of my issues with the RF offered here in Manila. I would have wanted it in manual, but only the automatic transmission is offered here. That's why it's a soft top manual for me. Exact same color as my car. From the front, it looks exactly like the soft top, except the windshield trim is not in black, it's in solid red. And I do believe we didn't get the piano block hardtop RF. They're all the same body color. Let's take a look at some of the differences between my soft top and the Mazda RF. Okay, let's go inside. First of all, you notice the door trim. It's completely trimmed in Napa leather, brown Napa leather, as well as the seats. You can see, and the lower dashboard. There you go. It's also trimmed in brown Napa leather. Okay, stepping inside, you can see that the left infotainment, well, it's not really an infotainment, sorry. The left, what's this? The left LCD, LED, already features, colored graphics. And you also have this. This is the button to lower the top. It's an automatic, mechanical top, which goes up and down in 13 seconds at speeds less than 10 kilometers per hour. So you also have the trim here. The air conditioning trim is silver. I've been asking about this, if I can, buy this from Mazda, the knobs, and install it in my soft top, because mine is all black. What else? Let's go over here. You'd see there you go. You have an auto headlight. And to the other side, you've got auto rain sensing wipers. And you have hiding here the paddle shifters for the automatic, which I presume is also in the soft top. We also have here auto dimming mirrors, which may seem like such a trivial feature, but if you're driving a car as low as this and at night, and you've got everyone's headlights on your mirrors, you would definitely appreciate auto dimming mirrors. And standard in all automatic versions is the sport mode. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. There you go. See. Okay. Standard on all automatic Miatas are the sport mode, which improves response time and increases rev range. Okay, and I have here a handsome young man. Hi, Luis.
Hi.
Hi, it's my young boy. My little boy. Luis, have a look. If you recognize him, he has his own toy review channel on YouTube. Just search Lexi Gan. There, it's right there. And you can see Luis and his big sister do a lot of toy reviews. Okay. So that's the difference between the RF and my soft top. Now, this RF is more expensive than my soft top by around $8,000 US. But for that premium, you get an automatic transmission, mechanical, folding top, and a hard top at that, all leather interior, and you got automatic wipers and automatic headlights and auto dimmers for the rear lights. So yeah, for additional $8,000 more, you're getting a lot of kit for the price. So it's pretty good. I would have gotten an RF had it come to the Philippines with a manual transmission. but as it lies, it's only in automatic, so that's why I went for the soft top. And I have no regrets buying that car. It's not a daily driver anyway, and I love driving it. As I mentioned in my previous video, I love it. So for those of you who are considering if they're gonna purchase an RF versus this one or the soft top, well, if you don't mind driving an automatic transmission sports car, which I've heard is pretty good in the Miata, then by all means, if you have the cash as well, by all means get the RF. It's also a fantastic car. If you want, to have that purest experience, just like what I wanted, because this is my first Miata anyway. It would be better to experience the manual transmission first, just to see what it's all about and how awesome driving a 6-speed stick is. So, but definitely both cars, fantastic, guys. Okay, so they just told me that the checkup is done. We've been here a total of less than 40 minutes. It's a new personal record for me. I thought that my other car brands were fast. But Mazda, 40 minutes to do a checkup. Wow. So we're going home, we're heading out. Catch you later, guys. Bye.